Jakarta is one of the busiest cities in the world and a crazy place to live. Everything is moving so fast. My name is Michael and I am local guide photographer. Jakarta is a beautiful place to take a photo because it has a great cityscape and sunset. I started to take a photograph around June 2015. First time is just for fun. After a while it snowballed. And I find myself adding photos to the map. On all my travels, I've taken a lot of photos. And it have been seen by people around the world. I like aerial photography because it has a different perspective. One of my favorite places in Jakarta to take a picture is Semanggi. Because before the street is not 100% done, I take the picture and after it's done I go back to there and take the picture again. One place I want to take a photo is Bundaran HI. It's a junction in central of Jakarta with many buildings. It looks like a circle in the center. After that, editing, post-processing, write some review, upload and done. It will be in Google Maps. Share the beauty of the place to people who've never been.